Warning to people in Mexico. There is a group that worships a bizarre deity called King of Yellow Recall, are carrying out an attack in Southeast region. Please note, this is not a test. Let me reiterate, this is not a test.
Announcement. Near a town, a cult is planning an attack. Residents nearby are requested to prepare by following these steps.
This is not a drill. Please remain calm. There is currently an anomaly in the loose. We do not know what it looks like, but we would like you to take these safety precautions. 1. Lock your doors. 2. Lock your windows. 3. Close your blinds. 4. Do not let anyone who looks unfamiliar inside. 5. Do not go outside at night. Right now, that is all we know. Tomorrow we will try to find the whereabouts of the anomaly. Be safe.
Hello. This is an interrogation by the two of you, James and John. This interrogation aims to extract information from the enemy because you all survived. Therefore, we will collect the information.
Okay.
Well, yeah.
You first, James. Play. How did you survive the destruction of the city by the Collect Giant?
Oh, that? I managed to hide in the basement of my house.
Wow, cool. And you, James?
I used to work for TFC.
Wait. How?
What'd that mean?
Relax and get out.
Sir, we have discovered a horde of monsters that have taken over 30% of our country.
We need to build SC-777 immediately. Order the deployment of MD-665 flamethrower squadrons to temporarily contain the monsters.
Okay, I'll report this to my superiors and arrange for immediate deployment.
May 11th, 1996. At 9:56 a.m., the King of Yellow Colt recalled dropping a radiation bomb on a city near Mexico, causing mutation in 165 people and deaths in 57. Is this the end of humanity? This is the punishment for mankind? We still don't know what it is. This creature currently leads a group of 10 gigantic beings, leaving cities in ruins wherever they go.